Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn on how to insert a comment in a document and also how to maybe delete a comment in a Word document and how to accept the correction if someone has commented for you to do correction in a document. So let's start. You go to insert and then let's say that someone was reading your title. Let's say this is the title, and then maybe uh, they are not okay with the title, so they can say that change the title. Change the title. So they tell you change the title, and then you click to post, and then maybe here also they need to insert another document. So you can come to insert here, or you can highlight and have it here. So maybe format your paragraph well. Then also maybe telling you this, maybe commenting this should be removed. So that's how you can insert a comment. So you can come here, or you can select the word. You can also have a word only, or you can have a paragraph, a sentence, and then you right click and then you put the comment. So in case maybe I've come and maybe resolved, it was my document and then it has been reviewed by the second party and third party, and then it has been reverted to me, so I'm doing the correction. So I've done the correction. Like for example, I've been told to change the title. Maybe I've changed the title. So how will I do now to ensure that I no longer have these comments in my document? So you come here and resolve the that you have done. So I can go back to this, and then I can also reopen the comment. So, and then also you can accept the changes. Also you can come here and say it is resolved. This one also, it is resolved if you have made all those the changes that they had told you to do, and then I close. So and then so the changes have been resolved, but they're still appearing in my document. So I will delete the thread so that it doesn't appear in my document. So I no longer have the comments in my document. So that's how you can insert the document if you are the comment, if you are the reader, and then that's how you can resolve after rectifying the areas that you have been told to rectify if you are the person who the document was being reviewed. And then now you need to accept or accept the changes. If someone has commented such a way that they have given you what to write in that, you can accept. And then if they have not, they just commented that you need to change this, and then you have done that, you need to resolve, and then you delete the thread so that it doesn't appear in your document. Thank you so much for watching this video.